In this video, I'm going to make my bed, tidy my bedroom, show you a small haul, and put some clothes away. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And once again, I'm back in my bedroom. I always seem to be tidying up my bedroom. Anyhow, I was good girl today. I got up, had my shower, and got ready and went to my first yoga class of the new year. So my goal is to do yoga twice a week till May. And then in May we go out to our trailer. So that's just a little update on what I've got planned. So here we're going to make the bed and put laundry away. There's always something to do. Anyhow, first off, I got my coat laying here, so may as well put it away. I'd like to mention that this is a collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn, and there will be several other ladies that you can watch to get inspired to do little tasks around your house. And the list will be in my comments below. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to everybody. Thank you. Okay, we've got the bed all nicely made. Now I've got a few things here to hang up. Need some hangers. Oops. That's enough. There we go. 5 top. There. I don't have clothes in this hamper. I have a shopping haul. And I'll show you the Dollar Tree stuff first. I got this cute little candle holder. And of course I'm going to take this out. I'm going to make a fairy garden in there. And you can hang it in your garden. I got 3 bags of moss at the dollar store. $1.75 each. I wanted something to put my soap on for Christmas. So I got this. I must have got this at Winners. Yeah, and it was $1.80. And we went to a coffee shop and got coffee after we were out shopping. And I got myself some roasted coffee. It's from the Fernie Roasting Company. That's in British Columbia. I got these little guys at the dollar store. They are just little wooden pieces. And some of the pieces are, well, this one has mushrooms and squirrels and hedgehogs and leaves and berries and stuff. Those two have in it. And they're great to put in my fairy garden. And I'm going to do a craft fair this year, so I picked up these craft tags just because I really like the pictures on it. They're kind of old-fashioned looking. They're already like they're tea stained. And I'll use them some way to make a decoration. I also got some natural molding clay. And I'm going to, of course, use for my crafts. And I got some picks. And these picks, these must have been from Winners as well, or somewhere, because they're not from the Dollar Tree. Let's see. Pineberry picks. Oh, they're from a special store that I went to that I want to tell you about. So we'll set those aside. And this one. Oh, and here's one more thing from the dollar store. I got a little container. I'm going to put my husband's Q-tips in it for the bathroom. Oh, and I got these little roses from the Dollar Tree. And I'll use those in my fairy gardens. And I got these wooden pieces. And of course I'm going to use them in my crafts. And some more little roses. And I got these little tiny Christmas socks. And they'll go on my crafts as a little extra detail. And I got some wooden birds. And this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. Oops, I got one more thing in here. And I got some little reindeer. So all that stuff is going to be used on crafts and fairy gardens. So I went to a store in Cranbrook. It's a very lovely store. Okay, the name of the store is Tommy Jane. It's a nice little store in Cranbrook. I've been there before. I think it was named something else when I was there before. Anyhow, they had their Christmas stuff on half price. So I got this blueberries. This wasn't on half price because this was regular decor. But I like stuff like this for my fairy gardens, and I can, of course, split it up and get quite a few branches out. And this was $17. But I can get quite a bit of stuff off of this, so I paid the price because you don't very often see these blueberries anywhere. And I just thought it was very pretty. And these are definitely Christmas. And they're berries and greenery, and they were $9 something each, well, almost $10, so they were close to $5 each when I got them, but I thought they were very pretty and I love them. So that's for next year's Christmas decor. And I got this beautiful garland for next year's Christmas decor. And it was on sale, of course. I'm pretty sure it was $25, so I got it for half price, half of the $25. And it should fit nice right along my railing in my going up my stairs. And then she had these great big jingle bells, and I couldn't resist. And I'm not sure if I'm going to hang them out this winter for fun. This one cost me $20. It was regular $39.99. That's the smaller one. So it was $20. And the large one was $49.99. So it cost me $25. And I just thought these were so fun. And I'm going to have fun with them next year. I'm going to hang them outside somewhere. They are metal. And it is fun to jingle them. Oh, and this didn't come from that store. This came from the dollar store. But I just thought it would be good in some of my Christmas crafts because they're picks. I mean, like you can put them in cupcakes and stuff, I guess, or something like that. All you know. But anyhow, there's a Christmas tree and a Santa Claus, and there's a deer with a scarf and a gold Christmas tree. And I thought they'd be great just to put as a little accent in some of my decor decorations that I'm going to make next year for the craft fair. Anyhow, back to my little store where I got my wonderful bells. They sound so neat. Tommy Jane's, and I'm going to put the sign up there. And she has a Facebook page and an Instagram page. And she said she'll be selling stuff out of her store soon. I'm not sure if it's now but anyhow, I'm going to put it up. A link to those in the description. So that'll be in there for you. And now, this stuff all has to go into my craft room. And I'm not putting it away now. Because I have a big, I can put this in the bathroom. I have a big sorting job to do in there to get stuff organized. So I can do my craft show. This stuff's going to go with the Christmas decorations, which is just out in the hall. So I'm going to put these with this stuff right now so that it gets put away with the Christmas decor. I have to put them in the proper bin. Into my craft room. And I'll sort it out in there. Don't put all those in the craft room. So, I'm going to walk down the hall to the craft room and put this in the craft room. With Q-tips in it, keep in the jar. Take you down the hallway with me. The basket. Oh, that was in the kitchen. This stuff can all be in this bag. Because I need the basket to finish my laundry. I'd like to take this time to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And if you like my content, can you give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment so I know who's around and who's watching. It's always fun to know who's out there watching. And if you subscribe, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you. put in the linen closet. And this pad goes out in my kitchen. So let's go to the linen closet. Tea towels, tea towels, tea towels. Too many tea towels, hand towels. Hand towels. Dishcloths. That's a face cloth. That's a face cloth. It's not staying too badly. Okay. I've got my laundry put away, and I showed you a little haul that I did when we were in Cranbrook. And that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. Welcome all my new subscribers. And thanks Sunday Dawn. She's the hostess with the mostest. And she puts us all together in this collaboration every Tuesday. We'll see you in the next video, which will be Thursday, Fairy Garden Thursday. Talk to you soon. Bye.